Hey, you've also on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of Geemy GM. What we got here? Nothing really special, nothing really special, nothing really special, and nothing really special. And here, nothing special, I guess. Okay, there's something special. It's a 2000 milliamp, 4 hours and 300 minutes. 4 hours is a lot. Charging is really a lot. Okay, so let's open it up. Manual, the usual stuff. Yeah, 4 guards. Then we got something that's 2 premium guards. Right. Okay, then we got the charging cable, and it's not a USB Type C. We got a little brush. So it's a quick unboxing. This thing really look like a cordless super tapper, but I guess the cordless super tapper is a little bit bigger, and this one look more slimmer. Okay, and there's an LCD display here. It's not bad looking, it's good looking. Of course it's plastic, or is it a good plastic? I don't know. People are complaining about this on and off switch. I don't really know if maybe it's good. And here, sorry about my hands. It's because of the disinfection, because of this COVID-19. That's why. So I put some hand cream, and it's still looking like this. You see that? Because of the disinfection. So it's not a USB, and the model number is GM 6008, and it got 3 watts. That's less, Geemy or Geemy, I don't know. So let's take a look. So what do you say, guys? Because I already zero gapped it. It's looking good. So let's see. The lever somehow really smooth. It's not bad for now, And the blade, they are not bad also. I haven't used it. I just bought it. I got it a week ago, something like that. So I didn't have time to do unboxing for it. I was just busy doing other thing. So I hope you all like it. I don't know why this one is here. So let's put it on, guys. Okay. So what do you say, guys? The battery runs very fast, because I just test it. I didn't use it to shave or to cut somebody, you know. I was just testing, you know, how it sound, you know. And the battery just, it was 100 before and now it's 63, you know. So it's good. It's really good, you know. It's really good. I mean, on my hand, you know, I haven't tried it, you know. I haven't cut somebody hair with it because it's slim, you know. I like slim, not too small, you know. And what I found out, you know, when you bring the lever back, somehow, let me show. You see, now the lever is back, but when you put the lever up, then it's another sound. It's like when you put the lever back, it's slow or something like that. It doesn't have power. But when you pull the lever up, the lever close, then it's a little bit faster. You hear that? You see? See that? Okay, guys. Peace. And Rich Natural, you didn't tell me not to buy this clipper. You know. Why didn't you tell me not to buy this clipper? Well, I'm gonna test it myself. You know. Peace, man.